On the flight line today to greet the first stealth Starlifter to be added to the McGuire inventory. The arrival had been scheduled for yesterday, but Lockheed misplaced the aircraft on the ramp at Edwards, and our crew burned out during the search to find it. The aircraft should be blocking it right over there in a minute or two. They reported on the ground, and a follow-me truck has been sent out to lead the aircraft in. Here comes the follow-me, and I think the airplane is right behind it. One interesting point here, as well as being invisible, the stealth aircraft is almost completely silent. Let's watch the ground crew park it in. Get on the truck, Dave. For this procedure, the crew chief is wearing special contact lenses which allow him to see a vague outline of the aircraft. And the aircraft is in the chocks now, and the ground crew will now install wheel chocks to prevent the aircraft from rolling out of its present position. We'll now get ready to deplane the crew. Doors have opened, and the scanner is deplaning right now. The crew should be offloading their bags here in a second. Stop. When are you ready? The co-pilot's bringing down some of the crew bags now. They'll be unloading the aircraft. Action! That's the aircraft commander, Captain Chuck Royce. And it looks like they've really enjoyed their flight back here on the first C-141 stealth technology Starlifter.